Hey, get in my way and try to block me, I'ma show aggression. Slide on your block like Danny Glover with a lethal weapon. I fucked your thought, she gave me top, I guess that's my confession. Got no regrets, I made mistakes, but I learned from my lesson.
What is going on, my party people? It is Emoneyshoes. I am back up in this thing. Just got off the grind. Just got through checking out the bros Monday midsole. All of that good stuff. It's Monday, and y'all know how it is. It be on a Monday. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Everybody staying safe out there and all of that good stuff. Make sure you already signed on IG, as well as Who Has the Heat on IG, or WHTH LLC, as we like to call it, right? So we're going to be back up in the thing on September 12th. The last weekend, let me see, August, we're going to do the battle. So I know everybody curious, just want to see who are the parents going to be. It's going to be very, very interesting. Now, this is another one. I know, like I said, so I'm on camera working with it, right? Shout out to the winning squad. We on the way to 7,500. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and subscribe to the channel, right? We're trying to get to 7,500, maybe 10K by the end of the year. Maybe not. We'll see. That'll be my next giveaway. Ideally, though, I just want to hit around Christmas. I like to do the Christmas giveaway, like give it away, especially give back to the kids. So it is what it is. We'll see what happens. We'll cross that bridge. We get to go roughly 4 months. So we can do it if I get on my lazy butt and started getting on the grind. Now, further ado, I done talk almost 2 minutes, and we ain't even talk about the shoes. It's about the shoes, man. Okay, what do we have? All right, shout out to the bro King 23 Kicks, Jeezy 23, and Coffee with the 4 all have done this review. So you already know you're late, Emoneyshoes. Yes, you are late on it, but I'm gonna do my review anyway. Like I said, everybody can't do Jordan. It can't always be about Jordans. It's got to be about what is dope, and what is dope is these things right here. As you can see it, that got that Harden and Iverson collab going up in this thing. As you can see, it's a PP. It's a personal pair, not PP, not a poo-poo. I think it's like 150, 160. They dropped around August 7th on my birthday, a little bit before. But I was like, man, OG meet OG. Really? So you got an Adidas and a Reebok collaboration. And the official color is black, white, scarlet. Right? And when I tell you these shoes are fire, flame, please believe me. You feel me? Now, as we take these out of the box, you got your little paper, and oh, this got this smell to it. Yes. Maybe a thumbnail. But, and this is the right side I like to review anyway. This is the side. Look at that. Take that. Look at that. That shoe got Houston vibes all over it. Dope shoe. Collab. When I say quality on these joints is A1, I mean A1. So you already know what these gonna get at the end, right? Leave no doubt. Look at the toe box. Look at that. Can you see that toe? Look at that. Woo, cushion for the pushing, boy. So on this toe box, this must be the Adidas part of the shoe, because normally Reeboks are pretty tough and rough around there. So you got, what we got going on? This side you got nothing. Nothing on this side. Make sure. Yeah, nothing on that side. But this side, you got Reeboks on this side. Then underneath, you got white with the hexalite. And that's normally, which is blue. This part is probably going to drive me crazy. Definitely going to have to clean it after every wear. Right, you got the red up there. Very, very dope. Hexalite there. And And then dope, the tongue. Look at that. Look at that tongue. Look at that tongue, boy. Look at that, something in the baby's butt. Look at that red around now. It's just a baby's butt. Why you need help, E-Money. You really need some help. Then look at this. Check it out. Look at that black. Look at that. Some details. That black is dope. Coming around the back on the with a Q. Look at that. Look at that. Squeeze. Sock liner red. I don't know what you're gonna do with this, because if you let me see, nylon, so you may not have too many sock bunnies in there with that red, right? You may not have that too many. Come around on this side, you got the hits of red, but you already know the shoe collab, right? It's for Harden, and you already got the H in the back. And of course, the question, the man, the myth at the top. Make sure you can see it. Make sure you can see it. Zoom in, right? Like that. Then you got all your stuff, your Reebok, your stickers. This crap on the shoe right there. Your labelings. Your Reebok. Look at it. Just look how good this quality. Look at that. Look at that. Off the touch, hole, rankle, stankle, like I like to say. Inside of here, no, just got that. It's all red inside, and you can see you got the QR code. Hopefully I ain't jumping too much all over. There you go. QR code on there. Sometimes you just want to make sure you get a good look at the second shoe. I mean, they wrap these joints up good. Very, very good. So this one here, look at that. I mean, look at that. The execution and quality is nuts on this shoe. Like I said, this is a collab between Adidas and Reebok, and I'm glad I didn't wait to get these shoes. These shoes are not getting the love. What y'all doing, foot places? These should be up front. These joints are fire. I don't know if I'm trying to convince you guys, but it is what it is. Get it when you can. The disrespect, but they are dope. You don't see all them glue stains, none of that stuff. Just fire, unadulterated fire shoes in my opinion. Now let's get to the stuff that we all know. And like I said though, this white, it's gonna drive me nuts, but hey, probably won't. I don't know, I might wear these right away, because normally I let the shoes marinate and don't wear them right off the rip. So on a little meter, I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5. Y'all already know what time it is, so ain't no need of me procrastinate. Just cut straight to the chase. A 5 out of 5. This is a very dope speaker. I mean, I can't say speaker. Dope sneaker, so I'm probably gonna edit it out. But like I said, dope sneaker. You can't go wrong with this. This is buttery. These shoes should not go on sale. If these shoes go on sale, this is very, very disrespectful. But this shoe should not go on sale. So you know what? Chop it up in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about these joints. You think these are foo-foo? You think these are not needed? Because this shoe, you can pretty much wear to everything. You wear with black, blue, white. The only thing some people may not like is the white outsole on this shoe, because yep, it's gonna be pretty dirty. So like I said again, leave it a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think. No look past. I know it's a lot of shoes, heck of a lot of shoes coming out. So hey, it is what it is. So again, tell a family member, friend or friend, aunties, Keikos, not Keikos, Keikis, all these bloopers. It's Mr. KL4, all up in this thing. Thanks for all the love and support. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace, love, hair grease. I'm out.